So I decided to go to a waterfall. I tried to go to Valencia farmers market this morning. Of course, that didn't work out because nothing works here for me in the Philippines. I'm talking about my personal experience so far in the Philippines. So anyways, couldn't find it. Passed it the other day when I went in a car with somebody. Obviously she's from the Philippines and knows where it is. But when you start using GPS, you forget about it. So it just has me going on this road straight ahead, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll resume videoing once I get up there. This is the type of Philippines that I like. I like to be out in uncharted territory. Obviously it's not uncharted, but I don't really care to be in the city. So, as I said before, I'm taking an adventure. Just want you to see the beautiful views along the way. But again, it's dangerous. This scooter is different from the one I was using before. Tires don't seem all that great. So, again, I'll see you when I get there, but I just want to show you these views. So here's this river we're going across. Looks like they built it up. Some are on the sides. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't seem to put the phone away. But as you can see, blind corners, I'm gonna have to. It's just too dangerous. Look at that. Instantly, all my stress seems to have gone away. Recently on a Facebook group that I was in, a guy made a comment that please don't move here without coming and visiting any place, especially the Philippines and places in Southeast Asia, because YouTube portrays it differently and it's not what it seems like on YouTube. So I made a comment agreeing and sharing the people that I watch. Now, am I angry at them? No. Am I upset with them? No. It's just the point that I watched YouTube videos and believed it was all golden and everything. And I knew it wasn't going to be. But in parts, I've been disappointed. And a guy left a comment that I didn't like, and I commented I should have just left it alone. Anyways. Feeling stressed about a few things, unhappy about a few things, and this is immediately kind of like taking that away. So again, I'll see you when I get there. And guys, man, I'm not trying to splice these videos to make them look all fancy like everyone else. This is just my video diary of me being here. I'm not gonna win any YouTube awards or anything like that, and I'm not trying to. So I pretty much think I'm done trying to make it look all fancy. I'm just gonna shoot and post. So if you don't like that type of videos, then don't watch. But making all these intro clips and trying to make it look appealing, and I will still work on thumbnails, but it's getting a little ridiculous. And stressing that, oh, am I doing this right? Am I making this interesting? It's just kind of stressing me out. Okay, I stopped before I hit the corner, but this is something worth stopping for. It's the sulfur springs, I assume. A lot of these islands have geothermal power plants. I assume there's one here on Dumaguete. I know they're on Samar and Leyte. They also supply the power to Bohol. They had a storm right before I got there on Samar and Leyte, which knocked out the power, so they just kept it on their island. A little interesting fact. So I was without power in Bohol for like 3 days, 4 days. We did have a generator, but it was only on for a few hours a day, morning and night. But yeah, maybe I'll take a better look when I come back down. Right now, woo, it stinks. My main objective is to get to the waterfall. So try not to kill myself in the process. Of course, you see the guy just walked out in front of me without even fucking looking. Welcome to the Philippines. So once again, I'm not having a good feeling about this, but I'm just gonna go ahead anyways. Looks like the GPS stopped. I don't have signal. I just went through a checkpoint. Had to put all this information in. I don't know if there's that militant group up here or not. So I'm trying to follow the directions on the GPS. Last time it got me lost, and I got all the way up in the mountains, got stuck in the rain, which I haven't even posted that video yet. All right, my battery, I need to let it charge, but I had to get a picture of this. It's raining so hard that it's bouncing on the ground and making it come back. Yeah. So now some of my stress is back a little bit. He's trying to get me to go one way, and he might just be being correct, and the GPS might be wrong. I don't know. So this is a pipeline of some sort. If it's for the geothermal, I'm not sure. Most likely it is. As far as I know, there's no natural gas or oil reserves or anything on this country, so I think that's exactly what it is there might be the hydrothermal plant up there. So I think that's what that is up there. I don't know. Anyways, let me look at the map again. All right, so it is a geothermal plant. That's the beginning of the facility right there. This is the facility. They've got a brick wall going around the whole thing with barbed wire. I decided to go back down the mountain and take the guard's instructions because the GPS has not moved, and that was probably the right turn, that it was telling me to turn right, but there's no signal up here. So anyways, long story short, I'm going back down the hill to where Kuya was and listen to his instructions. He was the PMP officer for the checkpoint. So I'm going back there. Okay, these are the instructions I got. Right and left. Oh, so that's what I'm gonna do. Which makes sense. If the river's coming down this way, then that means that's where the waterfall is. All right, this is getting pretty bad, guys, so goodbye. Okay, so I pulled my phone out again for the 8th time after saying I'm putting it away, because I've just passed like 5 little mini falls coming off the side of this, which I'm gonna try and capture. River's right down there. And just my luck, there won't be another small waterfall along the side. Right. So, screwed that up. Anyways, trust me, there's little small waterfalls coming off the side of the mountain right here. Alright, well, let's try this again. Alright, so I'm still going up the mountain, but I had to stop and get this view. Apparently this waterfall is really up there. but I don't know if you can see downtown Dumaguete there and the ocean. And then I passed all the geothermal plants. You can see the steam coming up, but there's a couple coming up the side of the mountain here. But I just had to stop and get this view. I can't wait to take the drone out for a spin. But yeah, it's beautiful, guys. No waterfalls? You guys trying to go to the falls or? Oh, okay. All right. The waterfalls? Waterfalls? Yes, keep going. It's down there. I passed it. I give up, guys. I'm fucking going home. Just taking the drone up, get this video, show you the video, and get out of here. Nobody knows where the falls are. GPS doesn't work. Everyone, oh, just ask, just ask. No, it doesn't work that way. So you're getting the reality. I'm not sugarcoating. There's no rose-colored glasses. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments, but I'm physically here experiencing this. And so you can't tell me that this shit doesn't happen. You know, I go out all the time here in the Philippines, ask directions. Just like they say, they're too proud to tell you they don't know where they're going. So like, oh, just keep going straight, go here. Uh-oh. So, yeah, it's just a fucking nightmare. So this is really stupid and dangerous. Actually, I'm not even gonna fucking do it. I can't do it.
What I had from the day I had it. When I seen you, that shit was automatic. I signed off, I had to autograph it. In the name of love, that ass was stopping traffic. Now we can't stop from laughing, and we can't stop the grabbing. Kissing and hugging, I guess some tequila shots just happened. We jumping out of bed, and then we hopping back in. Can't help but write songs about you, girl, I can't stop from rapping. Then all the gossip happened, and all the talking back and forth, all the capping. Then I knew what I had in store. I stopped it in its tracks, and then I told you to listen. Made it my mission that you never come up missing. They say you don't know what you got till it's gone. And if loving you ain't right, I guess I wanna be wrong. Yeah. So I'm holding on. I got your love in a box, yeah. And I don't need to lose you to know what I got. I don't need to lose you. I don't need to lose. Don't know what she got till it's gone, but I'm holding on. I won't ever let it linger. I won't ever let let you slip through my fingers, no. Yeah, I'ma fight for our love like Jerry Springer, yeah. If they come at me, I'ma put them through the ringer, yeah. Hit them with the stinger, yeah. Because if I lost you, I will find you, yeah. And if you forgot me, I'll remind you, yeah. I will write down everything in my notebook, yeah. And I will read it back to you like the notebook, yeah. That lovey-dovey, yeah, that wifey hubby. Yeah, you love me, yeah, we poppin' bubbly, but we ain't stopping there. 4-car garage in there, keys to the drop in there. We know what we got in there, but they say you don't know what you got till it's gone. And if loving you ain't right, I guess I wanna be wrong, yeah. So I'm holding on, I got your love in the box, yeah. And I don't need to lose you to know what I got, no, no. I'm way too decisive to fall into that trap or to that cliche, yeah. That he say, she say, we more about what we say, yeah. I've been real since my B-day, she been real since pre-K, yeah. Just need a beach day, Baba Boy and ceviche, yeah. So let's appreciate what we got when we got it, cause if you lose it, you don't want regret on your conscience. That's why me and you, we cohabitating, collaborating and procreating. We got a Brady Bunch in the making, yeah. Collaborating and procreating, we got a Brady Bunch in the making.
If anyone knows what it is that's making this sound, and I think I just lost my microphone. Great, no I didn't, it's right here. If anyone knows what makes this sound, please comment below. And it gets quiet from this one and then it gets loud over in the trees over here, and then it will get loud again over here. I don't believe they're cicadas, unless it's like an Asian version of cicada. I don't know, but please, anyone who knows, please let me know. So I'm going back down here, very frustrated, anxiety, see if I can find out where these waterfalls are supposed to be, because nobody knows. Ask somebody. Well, I mean, these are the locals and they can't tell me where it is. So anyways guys, I'm done. I'm just done. Anyways, this is all the waterfalls you're gonna see on this video. That and this going down, and there's some pools. So hope you enjoyed this video.